In this video, we're gonna be taking off that carburetor and replacing it this thing. So, first up, take this hose off. Make sure the gas is off and you got something to collect it once it drains out. Nothing's coming out of there. It's not safe. And then take the throttle body off. Actually, what we're gonna do is take these off first, which is just 8mm bolts, which I can't really reach at this angle. Time to get a wrench. This piece, I can't get into this bolt because I don't have the metric wrench and it's just stripping out right there, so I'm just gonna go for taking this off and just the carburetor. What are you thinking? We got that out. Just gonna pull that. Wow. See ya, motherfucker. Get this stuff off. We got new shit. Said we got new shit. Alright, so we're gonna have to take the throttle cable out of here and put it into the new carb. I don't really know how to do that. I think I'm just gonna push that up, see what happens. Figured out how to get the throttle cable out. You gotta push it down first and then bring it around the outside and then it can fit through that hole and get out. I don't know how to do that though yet. Okay, so we freed the throttle cable. Now time to do that exact thing backwards. Okay, so we managed to get the new assembly on. The only thing is that I feel like there's not enough travel in the cable, but I guess there's only one way to find out, really. Give me a shotty that let me know they're not really be holding me down. What?
Just all the stuff you have to cut out when you edit. If you're wrapping and folding.
Yeah. These threads. It's because it's under spring tension, so it doesn't want to go on straight. So you actually have to screw it in all the way. It's not a bolt on the end because the bolt is in here. Alright, so we got everything connected up. Look in here, turn the choke so you can see in, and the throttle appears to be working. So we'll put the air filter on and start her up.